Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to RHD Outdoors. Thanks for clicking my channel and giving me a minute of your time. Today we're in the deep marsh, a little bit more to the north than I was fishing last time. You can catch bass in here as well as redfish, so we're going to come in here and see if we can do another redfish limit, maybe catch some for the videos. The water right now is about 68 degrees. We've got a really calm wind coming from the northeast at about 6 miles an hour, and they say it's gusting to about 13, but I don't see any gusts right now. But it's supposed to get windier as the day progresses, so we're out here pretty early. It is 8 o'clock. We're going to try to put some fish in the boat and have a good time, man. So stay tuned and let's get to it. Got a pretty good tide going out here. I'm going to be fishing all the way to low tide, and if I'm here past 1 o'clock till the tide is coming back in, so good for fleshing bait out. I've already seen a lot of fish activity and shrimp jumping and stuff like that, so there's definitely some activity going on in here. A lot of mullet. This particular area of the marsh is oh, I got something. Yeah, buddy. I thought it was I had a couple little tippy taps. I think they were croaker. This is a nice redfish right here, guys. As I was saying, this particular area of the marsh here has got bigger alligators, I've noticed, and it's got some wild pigs too, so I'm always a little bit cautious when I come up into this part of the marsh. But anyway, that is a great start. I'm not sure how this head keeps hooking into this net. There we go. All right. Let this up here, nothing to take it. Anyway, one of my viewers, I think his name is Dale Brown, he recommended that I keep my fish grips on my belt or my vest or something. That way I could always find them. So we're gonna go with his recommendation, so I'm not always searching around for them. But anyway, that is a excellent start to the day, everybody. Looking at almost 20 inches. So first fish of the day, 8:05. There he is. Oh man, it's gonna be a good day. I keep doing this, I'm going to win the Grass Angler Sportsman of the Year. There he is. Oh, missed him. And I got all tangled up. Hearing some splashing up here, guys. Always keep your ears open as well as your eyes, because a lot of the times in this calm water they'll give themselves away. You just got to figure out whether they're gar or redfish. A lot of big 1-2 foot gars sitting in here. All right, y'all, I'm using my standard redfish combo. It is a Pen Pierce 3 combo. I've got it strung with 20-pound test Suffix braid, and I'm throwing a matrix shad and limbo slice on a 1/4 ounce GoldenEye jig head. see that redfish? He missed my lure and then he came this way. Grassmasters Classic. Oh, man, that was a good hit. I think I'm gonna have to get a new matrix shad. This one here has had it. They're just pulling it right off. All right, I got a fresh matrix shad on. Answered a phone call. Answered a couple of texts, and now we are back in action. Man, I tell you what, that last time, that was about the third time that I've been in here so far that they've pulled my matrix shad off my hook. So I had to change. Missing too many fish, and they are all reds too. There he is. Right on that break there. Let's have a look at you. Well, he gave me a look. Huh. See, you got a buddy in there. That one there looked like he was probably about 18. There's another one. There's another one right where he was. This looks like a bass. Oh, that's a nice, no, maybe a trout. It's a freckled trout. All right, buddy. Let's see what you go. You might go 15. There's a lot of stuff coming around that point right there. He's gonna be short, y'all. And there he goes. Seems like they're kind of short hitting today. Might be why they keep pulling my matrix shad off my jig head, just grabbing the tail instead of just engulfing the whole thing like they usually do. There he is, y'all. And we got a rat. All right, rat. Hooked you right in the snout. All right, here's that wind that was forecasted. It has definitely started popping. Good thing about that, it helps my casting. I'm facing in the right direction for it to give me a little boost. Huh. What was that? Have to go in there and try for him. Alright, sucker, you still in there? Got something delicious for you. How about a whole salad? Oh my gosh. There was a red in there. I seen him coming to see what was going on. I tossed into a chef salad. Oh my goodness. I'm getting pretty weedy in here. shoot. You sucker. Oh man, what is that? There he is. Got something right there. It's like a rat. Yeah, little rat. Conditions are getting a little tougher. Alright guys, finally got one. One of these big old bruisers that are chilling out up in here. He was kind of dumb too. He just let me get him. He was like, what the heck is that? Alright, y'all, it's kind of gotten, let me stir up some mud here. I guess these fish were headed out of here. I got a bunch of bites on the way in, got into some super weedy stuff and decided to head back out fishing on my way out, and didn't even get a single hit on the way out. So we're gonna leave this one portion of the marsh and head to another. All right, y'all, we made a move to another deeper part of the marsh. Doesn't have that many weeds over here, but we're looking at pretty low tide. I actually ran aground twice getting here, so my brand new black prop is shiny silver in some places, so you got to watch out in here. It is super shallow in some places. So we're gonna see if we can pick up our other two in this section of the marsh and make our limit. Something smacked me. That's gonna be my new logo. Something smacking down there. There he is. Oh, I missed him. And y'all, they are hitting short today. They are hitting short. I'm losing so many. It's a little frustrating because I know they're in there. Could have got my limit already. There he is. There he is. Buddy. Keep pressure on him, Rick. Man, this feels like a good one. Might be looking at a 20 plus here, guys. He definitely wants to go that way. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. Not ready yet. Going around the front. Nice fish. Oh, man. Whew, boy. Alright. I hear you drumming. String on the other side. Man, that was such a light hit. Such a light hit. Just kind of picked it up and kind of swimming off slowly with it. Okay. There y'all go. That is a beautiful fish. My goodness. All right. Into the cooler with him. With another one. Oh, no, 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 no. Whew, oh boy. It gets the blood flowing, that's for sure. There's definitely some tippy tappies in here too. There he is. Nice. Got a little rat. All right. That's like 2 fish in about 5 minutes. So, doing pretty good. Let's go into this little finger here. All right, in a little random back finger. Not sure where it's gonna go. Oh man, guys, I thought I started recording. I sidecasted this dude. He was just cruising up and down the shore. I threw right behind him. He turned around and got it. Man, I wish I would have got that on camera. Oh, Lordy. Man, I wish I would have got that. I think this was the dude that busted on the shore on my way out. All right, that's a good one right there. Let me see what he goes. This one's 21, guys. All right, and that is our 3 redfish limit. All right, I'm gonna finish fishing this canal on the way out, see if we can pick up any more, and hopefully we can for the camera, and then we're gonna head on back home. All right, guys. Man, I came back in this little shallow slough. It's so shallow. My trolling motor is at its shallowest setting, and I'm getting stuck. But I caught a crab. I missed another one. I tried to scoop 2 crabs at one time, and that's why I missed the other one. See if I can get out of here. All right, guys, picked one up on the way out. This feels like a sizable one. There's where he hit me right there. See that plume? He's right up against the bank. Oh man, howdy doody. That is a good fish. Oh, he's going all over the place. All right, guy. It's over. All right. Let's see where you got hooked. right, he's got it down a little bit further, but he's gonna be all right. Let me get him off here. Yeah, it's gonna go a lot easier for you if you don't jump around. There we go. No blood or nothing. All right, guy. Man, you are a hard fighter, buddy. And little specks in his eyes. All right, we're gonna let you go. We already have ours. You were lucky number 4, my friend. Ooh, you ready to kick already? There he goes. Bye-bye. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that was number 4. Another really good quality fish. We're at the end of this canal system, so I'm going to go ahead and get into the channel, put down my big motor, and we're going to head on back to the dock. So I want to thank you for fishing with me. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. It helps my channel grow. So with that, we're going to head on out of here, and until next time, we'll see you on the water.